Hey people, how are you guys doing? I hope you all are doing good. I am Shrajita Roy and welcome to my channel. I'm here with a video after so long, and it's again a review video of this product from Matra, which is the French Rose Clay Mask. I've used this once and I loved it, and today I'm gonna show it to you all how to use this and how it feels after using this instant results. So keep watching to know.
Before starting off, I'm gonna tie my hair up so that it doesn't come on my face. I face washed my face before starting. So this is the jar in which this mask comes, and it is closed with the help of a white lid. We gotta open this every time we use it. As you can see, the structure is quite dense and it is light pink in color and smells extremely good, just like roses, but the only thing is the aroma is way too strong. My entire room started smelling like this mask. Take a generous amount on your brush or spatula, whatever you are using, and start applying it all over your face. And don't forget to leave your eye area and your eyebrows and your lips portion. Now wait until the mask completely dries off. The mask is really good, I think, because it dries off so quickly, and the consistency is also quite dense, but it's really light on skin. And being a clay mask, I thought it would be really dehydrating on skin, but no, that's not what it is. It's really hydrating. You'll see the results afterwards. Wash it off, and here are the results. I loved this mask truly. Usually after using masks, my skin becomes so dehydrated, but this was not the case with this mask. My skin still felt hydrated. I'm gonna apply my regular moisturizer on skin. You can apply your regular moisturizer on your skin, and if you're going out, like I was going sham ko, so I used my regular moisturizer. But if you're going out in sun, do not forget to use sunscreen. Again, I'm gonna tie my hair to a side and use this blush from Sugar. I will mention the number in the description box. Taking a little amount on my ring finger, I'm gonna dab it on my eyelids just to have a pinkish look. Not too much, just a little, because since this is a casual date, I'm gonna keep it really simple and try to be cute. Don't forget to put it on the outer lid of your eyes. Now comes the mascara. I will be putting this mascara only on the outer eyelashes and not to the whole thing, because as I said, I want it to be casual, so strictly I'm gonna stick to casual makeup. Just to enhance my eyelashes, I'm using this mascara, or else I wouldn't have used it. Now comes the lips part. I'm using this Lakme Absolute Nude shade. I'll be mentioning the shade number again in the description box. Do check that out. Only applying to the middle part of my lips, and then I'm gonna dab it with my finger. Spread it out evenly on your lips. So this is my look. I was gonna change my hairstyle, but then I thought this looked pretty good and cute, so I did not change my hairstyle. I bought this cute necklace from Shein. Now unfortunately Shein is banned, but don't worry, you can get this type of necklace literally anywhere. And don't forget to wear your mask, because it is the season of mask. So here it is. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, and if you like the video, please like it before going. Bye.